In this final video, we're going to present the results of our analysis to the Social Buzz team and answer their questions. So, the analysis itself, the title is Analysis of the Most Popular Content Categories on Social Buzz Social Network. And what is our today's agenda? So, in today's agenda, we're going to do a recap of the project, the problem at hand. I'm going to introduce the analytics team, the process that I took to do the analysis, the insights that I got, and a summary of the whole project. So moving on, we are going to start with the project recap. The project recap is that SocialBuzz is a fast-growing social network company, and it focuses on content by keeping its users anonymous and tracking reactions to the content. And at hand now, SocialBuzz needs to adapt quickly to the global scale that it's growing at. So at Accenture, we have begun this 3-month POC, and we are focusing on the following tasks for SocialBuzz. We want to audit their big data practices. We want to give recommendations for a successful IPO. And the third task is that we've done analysis of the content categories to highlight top 5 categories with the highest or the largest aggregate popularity. And that is a recap of the project. And now, what is the problem that we have at hand? The problem is that SocialBuzz has over 100,000 posts per day, which is a huge number of data. The second one is that the company has managed to onboard over 500 million active users over the past 5 years. SocialBuzz also gets over 36,500,000 pieces of content per year posted on the social network. So how can SocialBuzz capitalize on this growing data to scale up? And we have also analyzed the top 5 most popular content based on popularity score. So in this next section, I want to introduce the analytics team for that was in this project. At the lead was the Chief Technical Architect, Mr. Andrew Fleming. I want to thank him for the support that he gave me and the help and the guidance that he provided to carry out this analysis. And then there was Marcus Rompton, the senior principal in our company. He was also helpful for this project, and myself, Reg Ragira, I'm the one who carried out the nitty-gritty of this analysis with the help of Mr. Andrew and Mr. Marcus. So what is the process that I took to do this analysis? The first one is that I had to understand the data that you provided. So I did a review of these data sets that you provided to understand the type of data that was contained and the type of analysis or questions that you may have from these data sets. The second one was that I did some data cleaning. I did that by removing null values. I removed outliers so that I have accurate analysis of the data. And then the third process that I took was modeling this data. I had to join all the data sets using the relevant columns so that I could have a comprehensive data set for analysis. And then now I did the data analysis itself, whereby I analyzed this data to answer the questions that you had and also dig deep for more insights, which was part of the fourth and the fifth steps, whereby the fifth step was now uncovering more insights and making visualizations which could answer all the questions that you might have from this data set. So what are some of the insights that I got from this data set? The first one is that SocialBuzz has 16 unique content categories, and all these are listed deeper in the full report that I have created for this data analysis project. And then the most popular content, which is animal content, had reactions totaling up to 1,897 reactions. And then what month had the highest number of posts? It was May, which had 2,138 posts. And And then now to answer this question that you had, to get the top 5 categories by aggregate popularity, from this visualization, you can see that animal content was the most popular content with a total of 74,965 popularity score. The second one was science, followed by healthy eating, technology, and food. And this shows that the content, the type of content that is popular is real life and factual content. Now, looking at the another insight is the percentage popularity share from the top 5 categories. And a close look into this visualization, this pie chart, shows that the leading content, which is animals, had a percentage share of 21.4%. And the fifth one was food, which had 19%. And this one shows that the top 5 contents did not have a big difference in terms of popularity, with the average being around 20% for each. And that shows that the popularity is evenly distributed among the top 5 categories. Now, another insight that I uncovered was that majority of the users of social buzz have a positive reaction to the content that they view on the network, with positive sentiments being at 56.2%, while neutral sentiments were the least at 12.5%. Now, a brief summary of everything from this analysis, starting with the analysis itself, is that animal and science content were the most, or are the two most popular contents, and that shows that people who use social buzz enjoy real life and factual content the most. And then the other one is that users of social buzz have a positive engagement with the content posted on the network, and that means that the company needs to just do more marketing of these factual and real life content, since there is a positive engagement with this content. What are the insights? Some of the insights that food is a common theme in the top 5 categories, and healthy eating is ranking the highest in the food content. And this one is an indication that there is a particular niche of people in the user base, which the company can capitalize on to increase the user engagement by working with healthy eating brands. Another one is that since users enjoy factual and real life content, the company can now create an algorithm that will promote the most interesting factual or real life content to go viral, which will make more users be onboarded to the site. So what are the next steps that the company can take? The company can take this analysis into a large scale production, and this will help them understand real-time you can understand real-time data that the business has. And I believe that at Accenture, we have the right team, we have the right tools, and we have the right understanding to help you navigate this world of data to make your business better. And this is my presentation for today. I'm very grateful for this time, and I would like to open this floor for any more questions that you may have. Thank you very much for this time. So guys, that was the presentation for this task. And ideally, if you go into the task at 4edge.com, the task is that the presentation should be your face. So this one you cannot see my face, but the presentation should be your face. So you will record with your camera. This will show you how to look at the camera. Sometimes you have to present without looking at the presentation. So you will have to look at the camera and build confidence to talk in front of stakeholders. That is the main objective of the task. But for me, I had to do this presentation like this, since I am not able to record the camera at the same time. Look at this presentation. So thank you for watching this whole video series, And I'm doing another one, which I hope you will check out for the KPMG Data Analytics project at forage.com too. So guys, I hope I'll see you in the next video series. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.